speaks, I speak, peace be still. My world responds
To whatever you are going through, child of God, speak.
I move and live, I have my being in you. I move and live, I have my being in you. I no longer live, Christ lives in me. As He speaks, I speak, peace be still. My world responds. I move and live, I have my being in you. I no longer live, Christ lives in me. As He speaks, I speak, peace be still. My world responds.
For broken hearts, troubled minds, and sickness,
Peace be still. He binds the broken-hearted, peace be still. He calms the storm, peace be still. He heals the afflicted, peace be still.
this is the source of your authority.
I move and live, I have my being in you. Being in you, I no longer live, Christ lives in me. As He speaks, I speak, peace be still. My world responds. You no longer live, Christ lives in you. As He speaks, you speak, peace be still. Your word